This is a short video for Lenoir-Rhyne students who are asked to submit a Screencast-O-Matic assignment. I have a test account and I have logged into Canvas with that test account as a student. And you can see I've gone to an assignment that is a Screencast-O-Matic introduction. To submit my assignment, I'm going to click on Record Screencast. And it will prompt me either to download the recorder if I have not already, or if I have, it will ask which application I want to use to launch the recorder. And I'm going to choose Screen Recorder, and then I'm going to click Open Link. And you'll see that it'll take it just a second here, but that will open up a Screencast-O-Matic recorder. I can do a couple of things here. I can click Screen, and that will just click record my screen. I can choose Webcam, and that will just record my camera. Or I can choose both, and that will record both what's happening on my screen and my webcam. I can choose the size of my video. I can click here to make sure that there are green bars showing. That will make sure that your microphone is recording. And there are some additional preferences. When I am ready to record, I click the record button. And now everything that is happening on my screen is being recorded. So I could tell my story of myself, and if I wanted to, I could probably find pictures on my computer. I don't remember where I have any, but everything that is happening on my screen is being recorded. When I'm finished, I click pause, and I click done. And you can see it'll say upload to ENG 130 video channel. That's because when I created the assignment, I used a different channel. Your instructor should have one that matches your class. I might want to give it a description, and when I'm finished, I click upload. And it'll take it a minute or two. You're probably going to need a pretty decent internet connection, and if you record a long video, it will take longer, but then it will say upload is successful, and then I am finished.